A PIL has been filed in the Bombay High Court against exorbitant electricity bills received by consumers in Maharashtra. The plea seeks that government and power companies should reduce the amount of the power bills which have been received by electricity consumers in June, and to formulate strategy to see to it that consumers are not overburdened like this in future in light of COVID-19 pandemic. The businessman, a resident of Mulund East in Mumbai, who has filed the petition, claims that his electricity bill was 10 times more than what he usually gets. The petition filed through advocate Vishal Saxena pointed out that due to the lockdown in force, most people were at home and there was no financial earning at this time. The petition stated that the excess electricity bill received by the citizens of Maharashtra in this tough time will add to the sufferings of the citizens. The petition raised the issue of people not being allowed to travel beyond 2-kilometer radius of their homes and stated that this is further harming the business of people. As an interim relief, the petitioner sought that there should be a stay on the payment of an electricity bill for the month of June and to waive of late payment charges for the same month. Speaking to India Today after filing the PIL, Saxena said that he has requested the court to keep the hearing of the petition by July 3. It should come up for hearing before the division bench of before Chief Justice and Justice Sanjay Jamadar. For the past few days, many celebrities too have taken to social media to express their angst against the exorbitant bills for this month. Meanwhile, the electricity companies have said that they have started helpline numbers for people to call on and verify their bills and register their complaints about the bills. Also, easy part payment options have also been given to the consumers to pay the exorbitant bills.